This eWINGZ demo shall visualize the back-to-birth traceability of a component. We simulate the assembly records of a main wheel assembly at the component vendor. As soon the part number of the intended wheel assembly is selected, the serial number will automatically be issued. The assembly process can then start. Each time a physical task is finished, it will be electronically signed off step by step. Additional parts needed for the assembly, like a tire, an O-ring or a valve, will be recorded too. As soon the last step of the assembly is finished and the inspection is positive, the initial digital component certificate will be issued and digitally signed using our governmental verified e-identity. At the same time, the first record within eTrace is created. The certificate and the data generated from the assembly are hashed within the blockchain. To identify the asset later, an identity tag, who meets the given industry standards and is holding the digital birth record, will be attached to the assembly. To demonstrate some further use cases of the wheel assembly's life, we virtually shipped the assay to the aircraft manufacturer and traced the shipping records within eTrace too. At the aircraft manufacturer, the wheel will be installed the first time in its life on an aircraft. The record of the action is a simple task. A technician is scanning the identity tag, which is attached to the wheel. This initiates a query to the tamper-proofed records of the eTrace decentralized database. If all is good and requirements are satisfied, a green hook signals the positive airworthiness status of the wheel on the screen. For the installation of the part, he simply clicks the Install button and the relevant aircraft maintenance manual instructions he needs to follow will be shown. Installation finished and fingers cleaned, he signs the records off with a quick two-factor authentication process. Another timeline entry of the part's individual eTrace will be hashed and recorded. The aircraft is getting sold to its first client. The frequently usage of this aircraft will soon show the first signs of normal wear and tear. The tire needs replacement. An aircraft mechanic scans the identity tag, clicks the Remove button, selects the removal options and enters the reason for the removal. The aircraft maintenance manual removal instructions guides him quickly through the removal steps and he then finally signs via using his digital identity. Another record in the timeline will be recorded. How we handle such a specific maintenance event on the aircraft we will show you in our eRecords demo. This is Stefan Völser, founder of eWINGZ. Thanks for watching.